guys! Welcome back to our mukbang video. So for today's lunch, anong pagkain natin ngayon guys? So meron tayo ditong pork curry with mustard green. Yan, mainit-init pa. May isa ako po dito ng garlic. Mainit-init pa. At syempre, tcharam! Meron tayong Sprite. Yun, no? Naku guys, sobrang init guys dito sa amin. Sabagay, hindi lang naman dito sa Nepal ang mainit guys. Sa France, sa UK, ayan maraming init. You want? Come.
What init?
Hot.
Garmi.
Garmi.
Taco.
Garmi, boyo. Pangpaano ba? Pangpawala ng init sa katawan. Ang init guys, tapos wala pa kaming electric. Ayun. Line, ayo. Papa. Yan. Cheers! Inom muna tayo guys at talagang napakainit. Whew. Ayun. Ay, syempre magkakamay tayo. Nung nakaraan nagkutsara ako, yung tunog ng kutsara at saka ng pinggan maraming nangingilo. Kaya pasensya na. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys kasi minsan ayaw kong magkamay. Ayan. Halo-halo. Nepali na rin ako ngayon. Tingnan nyo yung kamay ko pag nagkamay. Lahat ng kanin nadikit na sa buong kamay. Ayan. Okay. Si Tonton pala nakatulog. Tanong ni Agnes kung pait ba daw yung sag. Hindi ba pait yung sag? Gusto ni Asher yan. Sag, basta mga mga dahon-dahon. Huwag lang ang palaya. Ayaw yun ang ampalaya. Pero yung kalabasa, rayusag, malunggay, okay? Garlic. Ayun ang papa namin, oh. Natatabat kami ng electric fan ni Aker.
Mommy, that this garlic is for only grown-ups?
Not good for you.
Why kids?
Because you're still kids, yes.
Why kids cannot eat that?
Yeah. And aside from that, you are thin. You're not allowed to eat garlic. Garlic can lower your blood pressure. It's not good for you.
Instead of pomegranate give us blood?
Pomegranate, good to your blood. Pomegranate and grapes and apple.
Give us blood?
Dragon fruit.
Blood also?
Papa?
Hmm?
You have garlic there. You didn't eat? Good for you. Nalutang ulam namin, baboy. Ang ingay nun sa video. We have electric fan. And we are using the mic also. It's noisy in our video din.
Hold the long one.
The?
Long one.
I'm using the wireless video. Wireless mic. Excuse me.
Okay.
You drink something to person?
Oh, he's drinking.
If you're mukbang, you're joining us and you pressure to fast. Finish your food, ha? Don't copy mommy. Not gonna finish food sometimes. O, diba? Nepaling-nepali na ako, oh. Subo ang buong daliri. Can you see? Good boy. You want more? You want more?
5 spoon.
With salad, with greens?
Okay.
I cannot finish my rice. Okay?
What?
Yeah. Soft. Hindi fresh yung garlic, guys. Hindi fresh. Dahil siguro sa sobrang init, naluto na siya sa may lagayan.
This is not good.
Not taste good. You do not like to eat it? No problem.
What?
No. I'm not allowed to eat too much
No.
garlic.
This is not good. I want to eat, but this is not good.
Yeah, hindi masyadong naluto siya sa may lagayan. Sobrang init.
Very low from my volume with the meat. But this is the best. So now you will spoil now. আমি খানি রে বাবু
Oho. I'm doing mukbang video, but I cannot eat that much. Paano kumain kami sa restaurant kahapon? Hindi na ako kumain nung gabi. Ngayon, ayaw kong kumain ng masyadong marami pag sasakitan ako ng tiyan kasi parang nag-fasting ako kagabi. Nagtubig-tubig na lang ako kagabi, hindi na ako kumain. Hindi? All. Me only 3. Look. This one big. Mm. Mm. Show them. Wow, very good.
and put your something there.
Finish. Drink water, ha? After drinking your soft drinks, you drink a lot of water, ha?
Why?
Good for you. Water is better than soft drinks. You drink first the soft drink. I cannot finish my food. A little left. You want? Half. Yeah.